Something had switched on, and it became his mine. Jonathan Oppenheimer. People value agency, a sense that they personally can make an impact on the world around them, even in the smallest ways. We know this in ourselves, but it is striking how often leaders forget this basic insight in the world of work. If we want teams to genuinely commit to working well, they need a sense of efficacy. From this comes ownership of both the task at hand and the eventual goal of which it is a part. For some managers, it can be a challenge to delegate authority, but ensuring decision-making authority is properly distributed creates a structure that maximizes individual expertise and nurtures a culture of accountability and autonomy. By defining clear roles and responsibilities, from the boardroom to the factory floor, you unlock the potential of your team and propel an organization forward. The evidence for this over the last half-century is compelling. Workers who feel empowered through autonomy generate more new ideas and ways of doing things. By trusting them to be the experts on their own areas of expertise, you empower them to go beyond simply following standard operating procedures. They can be freed to think about how to make improvements and to draw on the reserves of their own experience and initiative. This potential is even greater in African workplaces, where the power of autonomy is still relatively untapped. Exhibit 5. The benefits seen by an early adopter of this tool in Africa, Hardcore Mines Division, illustrates the potential. Exhibit 6. OOM asks, how is authority currently divided in your organization, and how can a delegated authority framework enhance decision-making and performance? What steps can you take to define roles and create clear domains that act as sandboxes and empower your team, generating a sense of ownership through the delegated authority framework? How can you ensure decision-making is transparent and efficient while maintaining a balance between autonomy and accountability?